Hey there, let's talk about why your rental business absolutely needs an LLC. We're diving in fast, so keep up. First off, protection. An LLC is like a superhero for your personal assets, keeping them safe if things go sideways with your rental. Think of it as the ultimate insurance policy. Then there's taxes. With an LLC, you get options. Choose how you're taxed and potentially save big. It's like having a cheat code for the tax game. Credibility is next. Add LLC to your business name and watch the transformation. Banks, clients, even your dog will take you more seriously. Looking for loans? An LLC makes you look good, real good. Banks are more likely to lend you money, making it easier to grow your empire. Lastly, privacy. In many places, an LLC can keep your name out of the public eye because sometimes being incognito is the best way to operate. So there you have it. Fast, no fluff. An LLC protects you, gives you tax options, boosts your credibility, helps with loans, and offers privacy. Your rental isn't just a property, it's a business. Treat it like one, get that LLC, and watch your rental game change for the better.